Hi, this is Craig Stocks here at Utah Desert Remote Observatories. You can find us online at utahdesertremote.com. And today we've been working on this installation of a PlaneWave CDK17 that you can see we've got the OTA in the imaging train all assembled and mounted on the L500 mount. And everything is roughly balanced. We still have to do the wiring and put the last of the finishing touches on it. But it's roughly balanced, so it's good enough to go on to the next steps. What we did earlier, we assembled the imaging train on the scope so that we could find the deck balance. And we did that by setting the scope on a dowel on a flat surface, and then we could roll it back and forth and find the balance point. And we just put a piece of tape on the dovetail on the bottom of the scope, marking where the center of gravity was going to be, and we knew that was going to be centered over the deck axis. And then we brought the OTA over with the gantry crane and set it in place, locked everything down on the saddle. Then we had to do some balance of the RA. We had to move the whole mount down a little bit to get a good balance in the RA. It's not perfectly balanced right now, but we still have the covers on and we don't have the wires on, so there's still some things to add, and we'll have to fine-tune the balance when we get the rest of it put together. But that's what we've been doing today. Just a real quick update on putting an L-mount and CDK500 together here at Utah Desert Remote Observatories. If you have any questions, drop those in the comments down below. And as always, I hope you have a great day today and an even better night tonight under a clear, dark sky. Thanks.